Oh!
How deep is it right there?
I have no idea.
It's for sure dead.
It's just one giant pod essentially. And then that'll make it so there's no drag on that if it's in the water.
Gotcha.
Oh yeah, this thing's all watertight depending on Dave's welds. But it all looks really good.
Oh, come on. Dave welds pretty well.
Yeah.
Oh, we got food.
That's Coke, and the holder's questionable.
Okay.
Yes!
Where'd you go?
Jimbo.
Oh, Jimbos?
I just wanted the meatball real bad after Jack and Ryan's here. What are you trying to do? What's going on? I have no idea what's going on.
What? They're on the backside. Well, skid plates in.
We're gonna take his phone from him and change it to TBNation Midwest too. We're gonna do that.
Ooh. Well, it's about 3:30 in the afternoon. The turf will not stick to stuff like that. There's too many ridges. Oh gosh. It's no, you're good. You're good. Can you see the pond?
Yeah, I watch.
The lake.
We put it in the sport mode and watch it fly over the pond. Yeah, watch. This up a few G's. Oh shit!
Oh! Oh! Did you just sink it?
I think it's dead forever.
Oh, dude.
Oh no.
Yeah, you were right on the water.
Yeah. The SD card's still good though.
We just gotta find it. You wanna go grab that little boat?
Don't be doing anything stupid with the drone because it will crash. We crashed the drone.
Huh?
We crashed the drone.
Out in the lake?
Yeah. We gotta go get it.
No way.
Gotta go get it.
We did.
Huh? No, here's the boat. We're gonna go look for that dude.
Somebody ought to, it'd be a lot easier if somebody just goes for a swim.
No, it's way fucking. Is it right
Dude,
there?
it's way out there.
Are you serious right
Literally,
now?
it's only 6 foot deep in the middle. Does your boat float, Fred?
You wanna watch it?
Yeah, I'll watch.
You wanna watch it?
Yeah.
What's wrong with the 1236?
I don't know if there's no battery or anything in it.
Let's get it going. We gotta try.
You gotta get the footage though.
But I mean, if you're past the center of the lake, you can't touch.
Or we
How was
could,
that? You got that on camera.
or we call a diver out and have him go find it. It's inside where Nick's at. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I think the geese are traumatized now.
Good.
Oh gosh. Hey man. Well, we weren't even near the lake to see. Oh my gosh. We just dropped a lot. Oh man.
Okay. Whoa.
Wow.
Let him float back home.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
Come on.
We're about to die.
Keep on going now. Go. Go. Whoa.
Oh.
Yay. That's not one.
We do not have a bilge pump, so just keep that in mind.
We're never gonna find it. Look at this water.
No, it's so dark. I asked people on my YouTube channel if they wanted to see a vlog or behind the scenes, and they said yeah. So this is what they're gonna get.
Those ducks must have waved.
Yep, his wing just clipped it. Dude, it has to be somewhere around here, right?
Yeah. I gotta look into the DVR. I feel like it's right here. We're screwed. Screwed.
Yep.
Yeah.
It is pretty stable, but this is not very thick aluminum right here. It's like bowing and bending
What subfloors are for?
pretty easily.
All right, let's just go back. That was pretty cool. If you got all that. shit happening right there.
Yeah.
Not all of it.
Oh yeah.
Dude, that was worth it.
Yeah.
It was worth every little bit.
Okay, that's it. Ah!
Oh.
You alright?
Yeah. Okay. It could never been better.
Take it slow. Make sure it's not on the lights. No, you're good. Go.
Oh gosh. We made it. Now we're at Bass Pro. When you take Mike out in public, this is what you get. I bought one almost similar to this. I'll make a video on it later. But I was
It's a nice one.
contemplating.
I almost bought that one. The audience almost made me buy that one.
Mine's similar to that, but it's not that one. But see, these 12s, these are really cool. But I think they're just a little bit too big for what I need in the river. What are these? That is not comfortable. This one has it too. Ugh. Do it for Dale. 619 bucks, that's not bad to start off with. Mike himself bought this thing, designed a kit around it. I'll leave it linked in the description. What is this one? Oh, there's a 10-footer. Oh my God. I've been looking for these for my kayak, so I'm gonna do that. I was very close to spending 70 bucks on the Yeti one with the Yeti lid, but I couldn't justify $70 for a bucket. So we got 11 bucks in a bucket and 2 bucks on a lid that screws on, so it'll be watertight. Oh my gosh, look at those.
All the rigging right there.
Yeah. I don't know, I kinda like this thing. It's way more than I need, but
It's like $1,000-something.
yeah. Oh dude, I just had a good idea. What if we went to Best Buy and we bought the underwater drone to find that drone?
Yeah, we can go there.
This is the one that I bought, the FS10. But it's perfect for the rivers though.
I would have got that.
And see, this bucket is gonna fit right there in that little bucket spot. And if I flip, it'll stay dry and everything's gonna be nice.
Look at that wobbler. We're gonna use this when we go fish food.
Okay. Does not look like he's doing good.
They all look so sad.
I know. Oh, that one's eyes all jacked up.
Yeah, what's going on with these guys? They're all just colored and everything.
What? Do you need a 10-foot selfie stick?
Yeah, you do.
Oh yeah, you're against braid, aren't you?
If you threw some bass, you'd be against right too.
Bass Pro, if you ever need a videographer, you might be able to contact Mike Lopez. Oh my God, you're gonna get struck by lightning.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
And it's 5:30. We haven't done anything else with it, but we're gonna go ahead and go fishing for the day. Come back, work on this tomorrow.
The dolphins are no fucking island, dude.
Really?
I don't know. I doubt there's any left in there. The kids do.
In Oregon, you can't have fireworks that go over 3 feet off the ground. How stupid is that?
This is like all fireworks.
Yeah. Get it on here.
I don't think they have them there. Honestly.
Let me pull this out. We got to put the towel on.
You ready to fish, Mike? Mikey. You ready to fish? You taking these Red Bulls and Pepsis and everything?
I put some in my cooler and put them wherever you want, Ryan.
Look at this beast. This is nice, man.
Thank you.
Holy smoke.
Original Express, Alumaweld Express bass boat. Kirk, you only paid $8 for that?
$8,000?
Yeah.
Well, I traded them a John boat that I redid, and I gave them $4,000 with it. So I got $4,000 out of the John boat with a 25 Merc on it,
And you got that for $8,000.
and $4,000 cash.
And it had the motor on it?
Time to go fishing. Got everyone lined up. Nate's boat. Jeremy's boat. Jeremy's not even here. Turk's boat. Very nice.
that I think constitutes a lake. But it's really a pond.
Look here.
The top boat come out.
Top boat, yeah, it's kind of like.
So just bouncing on there going down the road.
So that's what that noise was.
Like that. I would rather do that than the hub.
In the head.
Yeah.
Why are we pulling the short? Because Nick needs all this stuff out of here. Nick, you vagina. And we got to pick up a third person. Who?
Ooh, watch out, dude. Big old tree.
Oh, look at that skill. Just barely got it. All right, boys, get him. Go slay. Hey, that works.
Nice little fish.